Are you struggling with porn addiction? You have tried 1,000 times to escape the loop, but you still relapse. You might have watched a lot of content to try and escape this addiction, but you have failed. Don't worry, soldier. This video is your crash course to escape the addiction permanently. So pay attention to every detail in this video. Let's begin with understanding some scientific facts that lead us back and back to the degenerate adult content. Males tend to begin producing testosterone in their teens. The testosterone development begins to make a boy more attractive and turns him manly. However, he discovers some discomfort. This discomfort is his attraction to opposite gender. In early days, boys and girls were married at an early age so they could satisfy their needs. But now, what's the case for you? The thing is that in modern times today, we have become more civilized and advanced farther, leaving behind our culture. The species known as women back in the days were not seeking luxuries and comfort, but a real man. Today they seek not a real man, but his luxury life and status that brings more attention. So as these women seek a man who lives a very well stable, high-status luxury life, these women just exchange their bodies and beauty for materialistic comfort. Now that brings us to you watching this video. You live with a perception that you only want to bust those nuts, and what's the easiest way to do so? Porn, right? Now you, instead of approaching good women that seek a real man out of clowns, prefer to comfortably lay on your bed and bust the nuts while watching the stable guy have sex with the pretty girl that desired materialistic wealth of this guy, and you're watching because you already have access to lustful content through your phone. So, what to do now? I want you to understand that if you have destroyed your brain and your organs for months or years, don't expect a one-day recovery. Here is the important part that you will keep relapsing if you don't have a warrior spirit. So now we will have to talk about an alternate solution. The solution is, first of all, control what you eat. You might be hitting gym at 10 p.m. and busting nuts at 12 a.m. So in order to not do so, eat less and lighter food that does not increase your body temperature. If it does, then you might begin to feel urges to go for the dopamine destruction drive again. Secondly, consider yourself superior above all. Now that does not mean you become an arrogant bastard, but I want you to stay calm, stay quiet, watch, listen, and learn and spend your time outside of your home in public, whether it is gym, office, or a park. You won't bust your nuts there, I hope so. If you experience an interaction with a girl, keep it simple and keep in your mind she is not special, you are. If her beauty becomes your temptation, you might make her feel like you are trash and also leave you on your bed playing with your weenie. So now to conclude the method, here's the thing, my Robin. You won't be able to get out of addiction loop instantly because you have over-sexualized your brain, and now your brain thinks that sex is everything. It happened over time, and the brain asks for a purpose, a command that it should execute, and consuming these low-worth women content. You have made your brain believe that sex is the command. So now we will have to reprogram the brain. How? Like this. Get a pencil and paper and write this down. I will have to deactivate all my social media accounts for 4 months. I will have to delete every useless thing on my phone and other devices. I will have to experience what it is like to be bored for a minute, an hour, a day. I will have to just do things that don't really excite me. The thing is that this is your mission. Just like building a great physique requires a workout program and discipline, leaving the lust requires this program. Cut off social media. Be bored. Try solving Rubik's Cube or playing chess for hours. Read newspapers or a book you don't like. Shift your attention and focus to other things that you are interested in, that you can capitalize, and things that can get you a higher status, so you might also meet good women that won't affect the relationship between your soul and God. Your objective is to make your brain forget those pictures and content that you fed it, and now leads your brain to unethical thoughts. In addition, if you get the urges during this time period, consider fapping without consuming adult content. You can either waste your potential in 4 months, or you can realize the true power of your potential that can save the next 5 years of your life if you learn to survive with your purpose in these 4 months and not the lust. You can make these companies billions by giving them your attention and energy, or for the upcoming 4 months, you can disconnect from digital demons to heal your brain again and prepare yourself to make millions. Men are happy building and solving things up, so now it is your decision. What interests you, what you can be good at, and then dare to pick a plan and start to execute no matter the circumstances. As much as you begin lowering your brain stimulation, you will find a great focus and clear vision. Then you will have to focus on what you are really meant to do. Act now, for just 4 months, and make it the mission of your life. Take everything in this video seriously for once in your life, or you will regret watching yourself completely destroyed, financially, morally, socially, and ethically. I hope you understand that this is for you. Fix yourself. Bold and brave out.